So we have yet another power lady coming up here, and let me tell you, she is a financial crisis coach since last 2 years, but prior to that, she's been into the corporate for 25 years, a chartered accountant, and now she's helping entrepreneurs with their money. Yeah, and today what she's going to be talking about is passion. We've heard so much about passion. She says passion is the end game. That's it. Period. Yeah. So please put your hands together for this beautiful lady. You all know her very well. Gayatri. Huge round of applause.
Good evening, all of you. How are you been doing? I think we have, Guna just mentioned there will be a break after my session, so please bear with me. August 2020, I joined this August institution or community TLC. August 2021, Asta, if you remember, sitting in the first row with Sharda, attending and listening to Guru Murli. April 2022, I am here right in front of all these eminent coaches and trainers. If this is what a passion can do, I think for all of us, passion can do enormous things for you in your life. Now, what do I just want to know what is passion? The work which we do and we enjoy. And once I enjoy, I know that I will be in a position to find my purpose. Today, I just tried to correlate with this movie. I don't know whether how many of you are Marvel fans. How many of you are Marvel fans? Woo! That's amazing. So many people are Marvel fans. So I just wanted to relate this. The passion is the end game. We all know what is that in that Marvel movie, what happened with Thanos. Thanos captured the 6 Infinity Stones and he had the power to destroy the universe, and the heroes, lot many Avengers, Thor, Iron Man, everybody wanted to snatch away that Infinity Stones and save the universe. Now we all know, you can see these Infinity Stones in the hands of Thanos. How many of you remember these Infinity Stones? I take you down the line and tell you what are those Infinity Stones. Now what I just tried to correlate is, in humans, we just give a lot of excuses and say it's an obstacle in my life. And I can't find my passion. I don't know my purpose. At the age of 50, when I can say I found my purpose only now, I'm sure most of us would be struggling with those obstacles. Now let's take one by one, which are those Infinity Stones and what is the excuse we humans keep giving to us? The space stone. Now what we do is that most of the time we say, "Arey, it's my family, I have to take care of my family, my children, my husband, how can they do without me? Mujhe kuch nahi karna, I just want to take care of them." Now this lady, Jamna Mahajan, I just would like to give you the example of people because they have gone past the excuses which we have given to ourselves. Jamna Mahajan is an entrepreneur, a homemaker, and she started her venture Sattvic Foods. She went beyond what her family could have done for her, and today, after she launching the Sattvic Foods in LinkedIn, she launched 12 products and the entire family is now supporting her. So you have to take that first step, going against the family no matter what, your family will follow. So don't worry. Don't give those kind of excuses that my family wants me, so I can't find my passion. We all know that in the pandemic, all of us in fact, were busy making Dalgona coffee and posting it in Instagram and Facebook. Now this 13-year-old girl, she was a school student, so she had to be grounded in the house. And what she did was, she created a game, a board game, for the children from 7 to 14 years, and it was based on general knowledge. While many of them were wasting their time by preparing this Dalgona coffee and serving it to their family, this girl thought something different. Your mind plays an important role in finding out your passion. So you have to understand that you have to control your monkey mind. I think Murli sir spoke more about our monkey mind. So let's all focus on the mind and see how we can achieve our passion. Now the next thing is, once we have a lot of information and data of doing businesses, we have to wait for the reality as well. Because if I start doing something in the year of 1980, I will have, can I do YouTube at that time? At 1980, YouTube was not there so much. So I need to understand reality. Now these two guys, Lala Kedarnath Agarwal, came to Delhi from Bikaner, and he started his sweet shop in a thela. And since then he was too famous, he wanted to go across the country and the globe. He had to wait. In 1980, there was packaging foods which was available across, and it gained a lot of popularity. And he, his son, and then Manish Agarwal, they took this business across the globe because packaging industry was at the boom. So you have to wait for your right time as well. Now, when people start their organization, they know that yes, we have to do a lot of things, but somewhere down the line, some people make a huge difference to the existing business. Now let me speak about Vineet Kapoor, who created this O3 as a brand for beauticians. They said, okay, beauty products for beauticians and salons. His father was selling imported beauty products in India. This man, his son, said, fine, you have done this, let me bring that entire product manufacturing in India. And he started manufacturing O3, and also at a very low price. So he really turned the table for that company O3. So you also have to have the power to execute, take it to a next level what has been started. Many of them know these people. Avi and New started their career in the year 2018, and they had good corporate life, but they didn't want to continue there. They had their passion calling, and they said they want to share about the country all over the world. They have the Instagram followers of 1.2 million, and Facebook, YouTube, huge amount of fan following. No, they didn't stop there. They said, fine, what I've learned, let me just start creating a workshop and teach how many people how to create YouTube videos. So these, you also have to understand that the right time for you to continue. The last but not the least is the soul stone, which says that you have your emotions to be controlled. Now these two guys, Ajinkya and Satyajit Hange, they were having high-paying corporate jobs, but they left, they wanted to go into the agriculture because their father was a farmer. So the emotional connect was there when his father was a farmer. So they created their own company which is selling in more than 680 cities. Now what do I understand from all these 6 people? 6 inspirational stories across India. If we believe that we want to kill the Thanos and take away all these kind of excuses from our life, you really can do it. There are many people who have done it. If they can, you really can. So, if you can't find what's your purpose, figure out your passion, and for your passion will lead to right to your purpose. Thank you so much for your patience.